So we are in Zemax sequential. As I mentioned before, polygon object is for non-sequential mode. So first you click on non-sequential. Yeah, we don't need to have anything. So right now there is nothing. Null object is here. When I look at NST shaded model, there is nothing there. So I'm gonna keep it here. So the first things for making polygon objects, you click on null object and then search for polygon. So we have polygon object. Now you have a list of different polygon objects that you can select. Zemax has a lot of polygon objects. Let's just select one of them, doesn't matter. I'm gonna say triangle POB, polygon object. So click OK. This is a polygon object that Zemax has. So from this object, I'm gonna click on my polygon object and then click on edit object data file. So we have edit object also, not this one. Edit object data file. So you click on that. Now we have this one. You delete everything and save it as like ROM YouTube MP. Okay, just a random name. And you should save it in Zemax object, polygon object, this folder. So I'm gonna save it like this. Okay. Now, as a first line, when you put exclamation mark, Zemax just accepted like a text, so it's not a code. So you put a name or a date. Let's say polygon object, Zemax MP, for example, my name. So for the first things, I'm gonna say, let's say, just add some information about the ROM. The dimension was 10 by 10 by 60. Now, as a first step, we're gonna start with vertices. So I'm gonna put V space 1 space 1 and then the vertices. So the first coordinate, as you remember, it was 0 0 0. Then V2 is 60 0 0. V3 is 70 0 10. V4 is 10 0 10. V5 is 0 10 0. Actually, I forgot the space. So we know that V1, V2, V3, as I mentioned. So I'm just gonna change to V5, V6, V7, V8. And based on the previous video, we know that the only difference is Y is 10 for all of them. So basically, I just put the numbers from the vertices into here. So V1, V2, V3. So now, after we put all the vertices, now it's time to put the faces. So for the faces, I'm gonna start with my front face. So I put the comments for myself. Actually, that's very important to put the comments. You don't need to, it's optional, but I prefer to put it front face. So for the front face, it is a triangular shape. I'm gonna put T space. So the first one is V1, V2, V6, V5. And for refract, I don't want to put anything for the rest actually. Now for the second surface, I'm gonna do my back surface. So I'm gonna put exclamation mark, back face, back face, face, T. It's a triangular shape. Oh, actually it's a rectangular shape. Triangle, it's a rectangular shape. So I'm gonna put R. R, rectangular shape, 7, 3, 4, 8. Now the bottom surface, bottom face, put rectangular, 1, 5, 8, 4. You can put the space, anything. Now for the top face, I put R, 2, 3, 7, 6. Next surface is the right face. I'm gonna put exclamation mark, right face. So R, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the left face, exclamation mark, left face, gonna be R, 3, 2, 1, 4. So now we have everything, and I saved the file. Click on save again. Now I go here and click here and find my file, which is ROM YouTube. I'm gonna go to ROM YouTube MP. That is actually the whole beautiful ROM that we made. So all now, if you want to change the dimension or do any kind of tolerancing, changing the size, you can change the file and load it again. Thank you very much.